Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, Celia Keyboard, and Theme. Finally, tap on the best option for you, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into App Gallery instead and install free app called Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Then install it, and when it's ready, open it. Now choose Enable SwiftKey, click on this switcher next to it, and tap on OK in the pop-up. Following that, click on Select SwiftKey and tap on it on this list. Now tap on Finish Up, log into one of those accounts or click on Not Now. Tap on the best option for you and select OK. Then exit Microsoft app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down, tap on System and Updates, click on Language and Input, and tap on Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Then click on Themes. Now you need to choose Customized section, tap on Start, and click on Add Image. Then select Allow in the pop-up and tap on one of those pictures that you wish to apply. If you don't want to set up one of those, tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Now you need to pinch your image to scale and drag it to move. Then adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Click on Done at the top right corner. Tap on those two switchers to disable or enable key symbols and borders, and finally hit Save. If you wish to edit your keyboard, tap on this pen icon and make your changes. Then tap on Save again. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete your custom keyboard, go into the same settings, hold it, select OK, pick the other keyboard firstly, then hold it, select Delete in the pop-up, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!